Good morning, my dear students. Welcome in your online SST class. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 12, India and its neighbors. Okay, let's start. So, what is your country name? India. Very good. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Very good. How many states in India? 28 states. Very good. Let's start our chapter. See the first paragraph in your book. India is the second largest country in Asia. What is Asia? Yes, Asia is a continent. How many continents in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. And India lies in Asia continent, Asian continent. Understand? So, India is the second largest country in Asia and India is the second populous country in the world. Okay? According to population, second populous country in the world, and India is the 7th largest country in the world. Do you know? The first number is Russia and 7th number is India, and population wise first number is China and second number your country India area. Okay, India lies in Asia continent, Asian continent. Understand? Now see, India cover an area of 32,87,263 square kilometer. Okay. Bounded by Great Himalayas in north, it stretches southwards at the Tropic of Cancer, reduces in thickness towards one end into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal to the east and Arabian Sea on the west direction. Okay. India has 8 countries as a neighbors. How many countries as a neighbors? 8 countries. So, in any map, we can see north is always top, just opposite on bottom south, east, right hand, left hand, west. So, in how many neighboring countries in India? 8. Mainly 8. So, first we talk about the north direction. Which countries on north direction? You can see map is given in your book page number 62. In north direction, China, Nepal and Bhutan. Okay. In north direction, name the countries China, Nepal and Bhutan. See here, China, you can see in your book, China, north direction, then Bhutan, very small, okay, then here Nepal. So, these 3 in north direction. Now, we talk about the west direction. In west direction, Pakistan and here Jammu Kashmir, see here, Afghanistan, in Jammu Kashmir, Afghanistan, touch the border, Afghanistan in west direction. So, in north direction, China, Nepal and Bhutan. In west direction, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Now, see east direction. East direction, Bangladesh. You can see here Bangladesh and Myanmar. Okay, in east direction, Bangladesh and Myanmar. In south direction, Sri Lanka. Okay, you can see here. So, come on, tell me in north direction which neighboring countries? China, Bhutan, Nepal. Very good. In west direction, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Very good. In south direction, Sri Lanka. East direction, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Very good. So, how many neighboring countries? 8. North direction, Nepal, yes. China, yes. Bhutan. West direction, understand? Next, China. China is to the north of India It has a long border with India. China has an area of 95,71,300 square kilometer and population of over 1330 million. It has the largest population of the world. Beijing is the capital of China. The official language of China is Mandarin Chinese. The currency of China is Chinese yuan. Nepal. Nepal is to the north of India. It has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometer and population about 30 million. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. The official language is Nepali and the currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee. Afghanistan. Afghanistan is located to the west of India and it's separated for most part of Pakistan. It borders with Indian state Jammu and Kashmir. It has an area of 6,47,500 square kilometer and a population about 30 million people. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Okay, Kabul is the capital of Pakistan and Pashto, Dari, Persian you can say official language of Afghanistan. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. Okay, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a small island. What is an island? An area that is covered by water all side, that which is an island. Sri Lanka is a small island to the southeast of India. It has an area 65,610 square kilometer and population about 20.6 million. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. The official language of Sri Lanka is Tamil. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. Okay, let's recall what is the capital, or let's recall the chapter. What is the capital of Pakistan? Yes, Islamabad. Currency of Pakistan, Pakistani rupee. Official language, Urdu. Very good. China currency, yuan. Capital, Beijing. Nepal capital, Kathmandu. Currency, Nepali rupees. Afghanistan capital, Kabul. Very good. Language, Afghani. Language of Pashto. Currency, Afghani. Sri Lanka capital, Colombo. Language, Tamil and Sinhala. And currency of Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan rupee. Okay. Now your next is Bangladesh, Bhutan and Myanmar. So Bangladesh capital is, what is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. And what is the currency of Bangladesh? Bangladeshi taka. Official language Bangla. Okay, Bhutan. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu. Official language Jonkha. Okay, currency Nagultram. Okay, currency कौन सी है भूटान की? Nagultram. Myanmar capital Naypyidaw. Okay, official language Burmese. Currency Kyat. Okay. Now see more to know. SAARC. What is the full form of SAARC? South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. Underline this and learn the full form of SAARC. Okay. Name the countries which are the member of SAARC. Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Afghanistan. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Neighboring countries India and its neighbors. Okay, now it's time to homework. Read lesson 12. क्या करना है आपको? रीड करना है and do exercise A, B and C in your book. आपको एक्सरसाइज ए, बी और सी अपनी बुक में करना है एंड लर्न मैच द फॉलोइंग ऑल्सो। ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।